Have you ever visited a website with custom scrollbar and wondered how they did it? Then this video is just for you. In today's video, I will show you how to create custom scrollbar using pure CSS. First of all, go to Edit HTML. Now copy this following CSS, then add it. As you can see, the scrollbar now changed. Suppose you want to increase the width of the scrollbar, then simply increase the value. Just like here is set to 17px. To change the scrollbar thumb background, then simply change the color code like this. If you want to give hover effect, then simply do like this. That's it guys, hopefully this video can be useful.